Hello everyone, I am Dr. Asha Dagar from Department of Home Science at MGM University. Did you know that home science is a unique field of study that teaches you important life skills? It's an amazing combination of art and science that makes you life ready. Today, due to unprecedented changes in our lifestyles and surroundings, there is a huge demand for professional trained in home science. From government organizations and private companies to hospitals and NGOs, home science graduates are required everywhere to support variety of actions. You can study home science at MGM University. Interestingly, MGM University has also adopted National Education Policy 2020, which means you get multidisciplinary, experiential and holistic education here. At MGM University, you can opt for BSc Home Science and earn an honors with research degree, or choose MSc Home Science with a specialization in food and nutrition and dietetics, extension education and communication management, human resource development, family studies and consumer sciences, and textile designing. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll today for home science, the science of happiness and happy life at MGM University. Thank you.